Today I'm going to show you some samples of my newly generated projects. So we will start with the first one. It has a splash screen. This is how it loads. It counts from 0 to 100. When we reach 100%, it opens the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you can access everything in the project. So that is the main dashboard. We have the overview where we have 19 installations, 16 active institutions. We have 3 defaulters. Then we have our forms here. When you click any button, it directs you to the forms. We have reports. You can access the reports too from the main dashboard. Yeah. You can access basically everything, the reports and the forms, you can access them from this dashboard. You can view the client reports and so on and so forth. From there, we can close the system. When you click this button labeled exit system, it will close the system. That is the database itself. Let me show you the relationship between my tables. This is the relationship. Yeah. It consists of one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. So when you check it keenly, you can be able to identify. For example, institution table relates to many other table through this field called institution ID. So that is one to many, and that is the most dominant type of relationship in my database. Okay, that is our first version of the project. The projects are made for sale, so you can contact me for a version. Let me take you to the next version. The next version don't have a splash screen. So without splash screen, we will load it. So that is it. When you click enable content, it will be enlarged. So that is it without a splash screen. It does not load any splash screen, it just opens. From it you can again access everything. From the main dashboard you can click and access everything from the dashboard. When you purchase the projects, you make sure that you delete the data inside and you add your data. For example, when you go to the request form, you delete any institution inside and you add your institutions. So you can navigate everywhere. You can view the disconnected institution. You can navigate. And finally, we can exit the system too and close it. From there, we'll show you another version that have navigation, where you don't have to where the forms don't have to keep on popping up, or the reports don't have to pop up. You just click and they open in a display area. So there we have it. When you click registered institution, it automatically shows the registered institutions. When you click defaulters, it shows the defaulters. Monthly billing, it shows the monthly payments. When you click installation, it shows the installations. When you click disconnection, and so on and so forth. I said when you buy the project, you make sure that you delete this data and add your own. Let us say institution name, you add your own institution name. The prices, you add everything according to what you have. Then we can open the forms. We can open the request form. There is it, registration, contact person, and so on and so forth. So basically it is ready. It is complete. You just add your own data and you are ready to submit. Yeah. So you can exit system by clicking this button, and we just exit the system. We go to another version. It has a validation, it has a login. You must input your credentials before you log in. There is it. When you open it, it will direct you to a login page where you'll be required to enter a username and a password. So it is not advisable to add a login to your system, because when the neck people are marking, it might bring challenges. Let us say they don't know the password and the username, so they won't be able to log in and mark it correctly. But we will input the username, which is my name, Sebastian, and the password, it is just 1234, and you click login. It will tell you login successful, and you click OK, and it will open the main dashboard. Yeah. From the main dashboard you can navigate, but it is not advisable to validate. So when you buy the project, you can add here more users and their password. So if you add a user here, he will be added to the validation. When you type the name, yeah, it will be validated and it will be successful. Okay, we will go ahead. We'll go ahead to check the others. These ones were developed from just what we have seen. So we have this. This is also one of my databases, though it is somehow different from the others. Yeah, that is how it appears. It is different in the layout and other functionality. It is different. So it does not have any data. When you buy it, you input the data on your own. Then we look at this one. That is how it loads. Yeah, so that is the layout. That is the main dashboard. You can close it. We look at this one too. Yeah, when you click enable content, it will load. After loading, it will direct you to the main dashboard. You can access everything. Yeah, it directs you to this dashboard. So from there, you can access anything. Let us look at another version. Yeah, the project are more and more and more. I have a lot, around 21 projects. Yeah, which have been newly developed right now. I have 21 of them. So this is it. You just click view forms, you view the form, you can open any form. Again, you can click open reports and view the reports and open any reports, and you can close everything. With login, it is also the same as what we saw, but now it loads with the touch screen and it will ask you to validate. So after validating, it will open. So you will just use this username Sebastian, password 1234. Username, you type Sebastian, password 1234, and then you click login successfully. Okay, it directs you to the main dashboard. Okay, those are my projects. If you are interested with one of my projects, or you want to be developed a new project, you just contact me on my number, and we can communicate more.